मेरी नहीं पहचाने। माँ ओ माँ मेरी माँ, तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। सर राह दिखा करके उद्धार करो दुर्गा, उद्धार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, दर्शन हो माँ तेरे सबकी अभिलाषा है। मन मेरा हो तुम सबके, तुमसे ही आशा है। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ, जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी। दर्शन हो माँ तेरे सबकी अभिलाषा है। मन मेरा हो तुम सबके, तुमसे यही आशा है। क्या मेरा क्या उसका, ये अपराया क्या। सर ज्योति जला करके रोशन करो जग सारा, रोशन करो जग सारा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, संसार तुम्हारा है, कभी झूठ कभी छाया है। एक दिन उसे जाना है जो भी यहाँ आया है। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ, जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। संसार तुम्हारा है, कभी धूप कभी छाया है। एक दिन उसे जाना है जो भी यहाँ आया है। क्या रंग है जीवन का, क्या रूप है मानव का। तुम ज्ञान भरा करके उपकार करो दुर्गा, उपकार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। सर राह दिखा करके उद्धार करो दुर्गा, उद्धार हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान नाश हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण हमें प्यार देना। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार देना। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर साजे। मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे, हमको उजालो का संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ। मुनियों ने समझे, गुनियों में जानी, वेदों की भाषा पुराणों की वाणी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार देना। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर साजे। हम तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर साजे। मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे, हमको उजालो का संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञान रास हमें तार दे माँ।
गंगाधर उरे के से द्वार तुम्हारे हे पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माऊं मेली चादर तोरे की कैसे मेली चादर तोरे की कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे हे पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माऊं मेली चादर तोरे की कैसे तूने मुझको जग में भेजा देकर निर्मल काया आकर से संसार में मैंने इसको दाग लगाया जन्म जन्म की मेरी चादर अब क्या दाग छुड़ाऊं मेरी चादर तोरे की कैसे निर्मल वाणी पाकर तुझसे नाम तेरा गाया नैन मुंद कर हे परमेश्वर कभी न तुझको ध्याया मन बिना की तार टूटे अब क्या गीत सुनाऊं मेरी चादर तोरे की कैसे इन पैरों से चलकर तेरे मंदिर कभी न आया जहाँ जहाँ हो पूज तेरी कभी न शीश झुकाया हे हरि है मैं के आया अब क्या हार चुराऊं मेरी चादर तोरे की कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे हे पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माऊं मेरी चादर तोरे की कैसे मेरी चादर तोरे की कैसे प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय करके स्वीकार प्रभु मेरा गीत मर कर दो, बन जाओ मीत मेरे, ये प्रीत अमर कर दो। करके स्वीकार प्रभु मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। इस महिमा में जग में है लाखों यहाँ बंधन, कहर हो गया सकर के ऊट प्रीदम, आया हो द्वार तेरे, मेरे जीत अमर कर दो। करके स्वीकार प्रभु मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। बिना की तारे टूट गए, जो आशा थी इनसे मुझे वो आशा छूट गए। जनकृत करके उनको संगीत मर कर दो। करके स्वीकार प्रभु मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। जग ने छीना मुझसे मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा, सब जीत किया मुझसे, मैं हरदम ही हारा। दर्शन देकर प्रभु मेरी दृष्टि अमर कर दो। करके स्वीकार प्रभु मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। बन जाओ मीत मेरे, ये प्रीत अमर कर दो। करके स्वीकार प्रभु मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। Finished that? आदिशक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। So, devotees and friends, I have not done a katha on Saraswati Devi, but I'll do that tomorrow. I have to finish off what I started on Monday evening. And we talked about Tulsi quite a lot on Monday evening, so I'm not going to talk about Tulsi again this evening. You know, I leave that up to you now. I give you where to find and make all the research and so on. But devotees and friends, wonderful katha this evening, you know, but before we do that, let us all pray a little bit. Gajananam bhutaganaadisevitam Kapeta-jambho palisaribhakshanam Umasutam shokavinashikarkam Namami Vigneshwar Parapankajam Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Durga Rupena Sanskritam Namastasye 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 Namo Namah Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Saraswati Rupena Sanskritam Namastasye 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 Namo Namah Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaram Gurur Sakshat Parang Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Nagindraharam Trilochanayam Bhashmangragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shudaya Digambarayam Tasmai Nakarayam Namah Shivaya Om Anjani Garbhasan Mukhom Vayuputro Mahabal Kumaro Brahmachari Cham Hanuman me Prasiddha me Om Bhurbhuvaswam Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayam Prem Sabale Sri Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, I have exactly 20 minutes to give you this message today, which is a very big message, but it will come very short. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani, Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani. Bol. Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani, 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 Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam. Shri Narayana bole, he Narad, Ganga ke srap se Saraswati apani एक कल से पुण्य क्षत्रां भारत वर्ष में आम गई। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। और आपने पुराण अंश से भगवान श्री हरि की स्त्यान पर ही रही गई। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। वे सरस्वती भारत में अनेकां कारण भरते ब्रह्मादि। प्रिया होने के कारण ब्रह्मणी और वाणी की अधिष्ठान त्रिदेवी। होने का कारण वाणी नाम से कहे घर दी। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। काली के 5000 वर्षियों तक भारत वर्ष में रहा कर वे तीनों देवियां आपने नधी रूप का प्रथम घकार वैकुंठ धाम चली जयागी। काशी तट वृंदावन को चोद्र कर अन्या जो भी तीरथ है। जय जय देवी मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। वे सब श्री हरि की अज्ञान से उन देवी हो के सान वैकुंठ चले जयंगे। जय जय देवी जय जय मां। शालिग्राम शिव शक्ति और जन्नय तत्जीम काली के दास हाजर वर्षा व्याप्ति होने पर भारत वर्षों को छोड़ कर आपने स्त्यान पर चले जयंगे। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भो।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
So devotees and friends, the Katha tells to us, you all remember that Lakshmi, Ganga and Saraswati had a little quarrel in the heavenly realm. And then again, my dear friends, remember earlier on in our discussion, we saw where Shiva and Brahma had a misunderstanding. Shiva and Brahma on this misunderstanding was for what purpose? What was the reason? Ravi, you remember what was the reason? They were trying to be who was more powerful. We had to listen to it. Prem Sabal Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, men have misunderstanding to see. They always fight among themselves to see who is more powerful than who. Remember when Hanumanji was watching and he looking into Lanka, what he was seeing? He said, I saw a set of strong-bodied men in Lanka, good wrestlers. But what they were doing? They were wrestling among themselves to see who is more powerful than who. Devotees and friends, this do happen. And so devotees and friends, what follow? Men fight for power to see who is more powerful than who. What the ladies were fighting for in the heavens, because Vishnu Bhagwan come to talk to them now and tell them. प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. So devotees and friends, woman has misunderstanding because of one principle, and that is jealousy. If you observe, men fight for power. Women fight to see who look better than who. Not so, Dennis? Yeah. You may not do it, Dennis, but so many others does. Women, my dear friends, fight to see who is more powerful than who. So Vishnu Bhagwan told to them, he said, hey, listen, this is the Maya, this is the illusion. They're not hearing in the back. Sorry. I thought my voice was too loud, so I started lowering it down. Prem se bole Sri Ganesha Bhagwan ki jai. Durga Devi Mata ki. So devotees and friends, Vishnu Bhagwan showed them the illusion and what caused it. And they were so sorry among themselves. They were sorry, my dear friends, but they then got caught up in the illusion. So too is so many of us, we get caught up in this illusion and afterwards we are sorry. We make so much enemies, but the Lord was able to pacify this. And so, my dear friends, the Lord told all of them that, okay, the curse went on, you have to go now. And what, my dear friends, the big message out of this lesson? You see, when the illusion take you and you perform what we call stupid actions, or unwarranted actions, actions that does not really call for, remember you have to pay the price for it. Dinesh, not so? You have to pay the price for it. Devotees and friends. So they had to pay the price. So Ganga came down on earth, Bhagirathi called her, and he pulled her down, but my dear friends, part of that manifestation of Ganga had to remain in the jata of Lord Shiva. And so he came down, my dear friends. And so also Saraswati came. And it tells to us that Saraswati was burning away all the evildoers. You know, as you go and you pray to her and son, she did not make a mistake. You was now, my dear friends, purified. She is the mother of speech. But Lakshmi asks of Bhagwan Vishnu, he said, Lord, tell me, how long will I have to remain on earth? Because separation from my Lord is too much. How long will I have to be separated, remaining on earth? And he says, oh, Lakshmi, you will remain on earth for 5,000 years, Panchajara, after in the Kali age, of which you will quit the body appearance and you will come back straight up back to me. It says, and you will be able then to have the Tirat of the Kashi and Vrindavan while you're down there. And then you will go back to Vaikunt. But he says again, and he continued to tell her now, he said, when 10,000 years, 10,000 of the Kali age, he said the Saligram will disappear. He says Shiva Shakti will disappear. Purushottam Jagannath Bhagavan will disappear. He says they will all leave the soil of Bharatdesh and go back to their respective abode. Devotees and friends, it says that hardly anybody will be worshipping God. It says, but the worship and glorification of the gods, the recitation of their praises and their names will be extinct. It means it will be no more. We would not be able to have what we have in yourself today. And that is when the Kali age get a little worse. So devotees and friends, if you believe it bad now, it still have worse than that to come, because we would not be able to say Jai Ram. Prepare yourself. So devotees and friends, it tells to us. It says the Vedas and all the Puranas and everything else will disappear. What most of all will disappear is the Sadhu Samaj. Those sadhu who are the true devotees of Dharma, you will not find them. But in this age also, and this time, which tells to us that the Kali age is very, very ripe at this time. The Sadhu Samaj becomes fewer and fewer and lesser every day. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki. So devotees and friends, he says the practicing of austerity, fasting and penance will disappear. And so devotees and friends, it says the right hand side of mantras will turn to the left hand side. What am I telling to you? Pandit Jai will tell you that too. And we see it happening now. The same mantras which you will use on the right hand side, meaning you're repeating these mantras to develop your mind and transform your life, these same mantras will be used in the tantric ways so that you can help destroy other lives. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki. Are we seeing that today? Yes, my dear friends, and let us not be naive. We have already people in this Kali age who are using the mantras of Hanuman, Durga Devi, all of them, even our sweet Kali Devi, to destroy others. But thank God, we don't have that power like when Ganga and Saraswati and Yamuna was there. Because as they made the curse, it happened. You know what would have happened to the world today? Everybody would have been destroyed. It would have been extinct. Everybody would have gone. The amount, my dear friends, of wicked minds we have on the earth today, wishing one another so bad, wishing that they have been destroyed. It is very, very much, my dear friends, prevalent in this Kali age. So this is not Pandit Vishnu talking here, this is exactly what book 9, chapter 8 of the Devi Puran is telling me, Devotees and friends, it says, after the mantra has now been transformed on the left hand side, and people will start praying to make sure others does not rise above them. He says, again, the Kali age will get so ripe that there will be no vegetarians. All the people will want is that they would want to drink the wine and eat the flesh, etc. like that. They will speak falsehood and be deceitful. He says, if anybody worship the Lord in those days, it will have no tulsi leaves. And tell you, remember I tell you the night before Monday, that if tulsi leaf is not there, it becomes void, because all offerings in the three worlds must have tulsi leaves. And that is what the Devi Puran tells us, not Pandit Vishnu. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki. It says, very important right now, deceit cruel, egoistic, thievish, mischievous. This is how people will be. Men will be in variance with one another. Women will be at variance with one another. You know, and we see this happening too now, my dear friends, which tells to us that the Kali age is very ripe. It says no fear will exist in marriage ties. The marriage will come, my dear friends, like a little pass by night. Nobody would respect the vow of marriage in this Kali age. Devotees and friends, we see it happening. He says husband will be obedient to their wives. Wives will not be obedient to their husband in the Kali age when it get right. That ain't happening yet, you know. But it will happen soon. Ravi? You think it happening? It says husband will be obedient to their wives. If the wife say jump, they'll say how high. This is not Pandit Vishnu saying this is the book, so observe if it's happening by you. Cut it off, because we have to hold back the Kali age. Because when I tell you what will happen at the end of the Kali age, all you will become fearful. Devotees and friends, it tells to us, wives will rebuke their husband by instant quarreling and making noise. Wives will be the sole mistress of the house, like mine. Wives will be the sole mistress of the house, and husband will stand by before them as servant with folded palms. This is what is going to happen in the Kali age. And further it says, father-in-laws and mother-in-laws will be the servant of the wives in this Kali age. Are we seeing that happening yet still? Be fearful if it's happening. Be fearful if it's happening. Devotees and friends, it continues to tell to us. The brothers of the wives and the mother-in-laws, the brothers of the wives and the friends of the wives will be the manager of the household. The husband and the father and mother would have nothing to say there. It's the wife and she brother and all the friends and them, what they say must happen there. That is what is going. I wonder if that's happening still. If it's happening now, my dear friends, be very careful, because it means that the ending of the age is very close. The ending of the age is very close. Prem Sabale Shri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki. Devotees and friends, it says without the command of the housewife, the master of the house will be unable to do anything. Meaning if the wife said, don't move that day, you dare not move it. And if she say move it, whether you want it move or not, you have to move it. Dinesh Bhai, you think that happening already, boy? Prem Sabare Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. Devotees and friends, it tells to us, the earth will not yield any grains. It means food will become scarce. And we see it starting happening, my dear friends. Wheat will become less, rice will become less. And then you will say, well, okay, I live in Trinidad, I go eat yam and I go eat cassava. That and all would hardly be ever around. So my dear friends, this is what we are heading for because of man's behavior in this Kali age. Prem Sabale Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki. It says the cows will yield very little milk. There will be very little milk, there will be very little ghee to do anything. So devotees and friends, it says the affection between husband and wives will die out and families will be devoid of the truth In families, it will only survive with lies, like a lot is happening now these days. Principal Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. But devotees and friends, the affection, the love between husband and wives will disappear. What it means, my dear friends, if you do not know, let me tell to you this evening. The majority, a lot, over 60 to 70% of husband and wives now, my dear friends, who is married for more than 5 years, have lost that affection. Some of them even sleeping in different rooms. Prem Sabale Sri Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki. So the affection of that love in the family is disappearing. And that is what it predicts here that will happen. Remember, this is the Devi Puran written long time ago. But we see it happening now, my dear friends. The king will not wield any power. And you look at the world leaders today, you think any one of them have power? You think any one of the leaders of the world today have power? No, my dear friends. It says no one will be able without money to collect the merits by repeating the name of Hari. You could repeat how much name of Hari, you don't get no merit. You had to have money in your pocket to get the merit. Everybody go look up at you then. And that, my dear friends, those are the people who are world leaders and now beggars at their feet. Whatever the capitalists, the people with the money says to do, the leaders of the land have to do it. Otherwise they will collapse. And my dear friends, that is what is putting us in this predicament, because this is the height of the Kali age showing itself up. So devotees and friends, it says what again? It says the people of the land will be overburdened with taxes. And we see it happening already. Don't hear it easy yet. Go to America. People running from one state to another state. They're looking at the states where the taxes, the property taxes is less. And there they're going to buy a house. Prem Sabale Sri Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki. So my dear friends, this is our book say this. So whether you fill out the form or you fill out the form and send it up, one day the property tax come into all, because the book predicts that more tax and more tax and more tax will be coming to us. This is the Kali age. It says people will only utter bad words and vile sound. Some villages and towns will be completely deserted by men and will look terrible. At some others, few cottages with few inhabitants will be seen. My dear friends, and this is happening. There are certain communities now that from one side of the road you can't go into the next side. I remember while I was working, we were going to open a community center. And my dear friends, we had to bring a lot of people from outside to fill them. Because, my dear friends, the people from on the upper side could not come down where the community center was, because that is the turf, territory. We see it happening now in this Kali age, my dear friends. But when the Kali age get ripe, I'm going to tell, so much to stay still, It says those who are well known as the millionaires, they will become poor, and those who are devoted to the devas will become ascetics. He said the town folks will have no trace of mercy. Rather, they will hate and envy their neighbors. Is that happening yet? No neighbor living very good these days, at least me. I would assume that everybody else living the same way. In the Kali age, males and females will be everywhere. of a dwarfish stature, disease, short-lived people's lives will be short-lived. And we see it happening now. There will be very little youthful energy. Most of the time when a youth reaches 20, he lost all the energy already because the kind of activities that he indulged himself in. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki. It says the Kali age will reach to a point where old age will attack from the time the person reached 20 years. So it will start at the 16th birthday and the old age will reach when they reach 20 years. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, nobody will respect the gurus and all of that anymore. Let us listen one verse and then I'll conclude this evening. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Mam, Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Mam, Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani,
Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani,
Hari Bol.
Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani, 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 Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani.
Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Mam, Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadamba Bhavani Mam. Kali Yuga में कुछ लोग कन्या की साथ कुछ लोग ससा की सान, कुछ लोग आपनी बहू के साथ, कछु लोग वहां की साथ, कछु लोग सैतेल ही सन के सत. जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां. सभी लोग अप्रिय वचन भूलने वाले होंगे, सभी लोग चोर और लंपात होंगे, सभी लोग एक दूसरे की. जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां. Adishakti Devi Durga Mata ki jai. So devotees and friends, it tells us now, at the end of the Kali age, at the end of the Kali age, there is going to be an avatar. Right. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। उस समय विष्णु नाम का ब्रह्म के यहाँ उनके पुत्र रूप में भगवान काल की अवतारित होगा। श्री नारायण कल की अशंगान उपना तात बाल शलियों के सृष्टि में भगवान कली काल के एक विशाल अशर पर अरुधा होकर आपने विशलान तालवर से 3 रात में 3 means 3, रात means night, 3 रात में ही संपूर्ण पृथ्वी को जय जय देवी जय जय मां। तदंतर मोते धर से निरंतर चम दीनो कृता कर्म असीमा वर्षा होगी। जय जय देवी जय जय मां। आज शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। So my dear friends, who wants to get this information, book 9 chapter 8 from verses 54 to 57, you will get this information that I'm about to give to you now. At the end of the Kali age, when these little things that I just talk about, these few little things, which could be meant plenty because we see it happening, it says Lord Vishnu will take avatar as Kalaki. He will come on a long white horse. I don't know how long, but a long white horse with a long sword. It says at the end of the Kali age, it says is only the demons, the Malichas, they will take over the whole world. And what the Lord promises, yada yada hi dharmasya glani, he will come to remove the. So he says the whole earth will have the evildoers. My dear friends, if you feel this is a Nancy story, then tell me COVID was a Nancy story. In less than a year, how many million people COVID killed? In a less than a year, how many millions and nearly close to billions of people been affected with COVID? But my dear friends, it tells us when Kalaki comes, in 3 nights, every single thing in this world will be destroyed. Where will you be? Devotees and friends, this is why I keep begging each and every devotee who is here in the Yajnashala, who is listening through Pandit Vishnu Live and whatever medium you are listening through, start preparing your mind so that, my dear friends, at that point of death you will be God conscious. If you die in that God conscious state, you have a chance of coming back in the first or the ending of the first or to the second age, where, my dear friends, all the souls that will be coming in those first 2 ages, in the Satyug and the Treta Yuga, will be those souls, those Atma will be taking back bodies, my dear friends. Those who have been totally, the Vasanas, is totally in that state of God consciousness. If you, my dear friends, continue to fight for the worldly things, then you know you're coming down in the last 2 age. Ending up a traitor coming into Kali Yuga again to meet the set of taxes and all of that all you're bawling and crying for now. You can't change that. The tax is going to come. The wicked people going to roam the land. The thieves are going to roam the... You have to improve your life. So that, my dear friends, when the cycle starts again, you will be somewhere at the ending of Satyug into Treta Yuga. Even if you come at the ending of Treta Yuga, which is the second, my dear friend, you will be well taken care of, because it means you are prepared. But if you are not prepared here, don't expect a magic going to happen. It will not happen. So in 3 days, my dear friends, all the wicked people, all those blessed ones who are now here, my dear friends, will continue, and they will remain in Brahmalok. They will remain in that abode until the cycle comes back down. The wicked one will be back recycling now, so that when, my dear friends, Kalki comes to destroy the Malichas or the wicked people, every single one will go. It says there will not be a subject on the face of the earth after 3 nights. And don't feel this Nancy story. Take COVID as an example of what COVID did. And my dear friends, I always tell people, it is not a horse coming. It is something measuring horsepower. And when that let loose, the entire, every single life form on the face of this earth will die. This is what Devi Puran is predicting to us. Our other brothers and sisters are saying the Lord is coming. So don't believe only Hinduism telling you it, but we're afraid to tell you because, my dear friends, we're afraid we're going to lose followers. But I'm telling to you, if you don't improve your life, if you don't create a spiritual path for your life, my dear friends, next cycle around, you will be in the same melee and the same mess that you are in right now. So devotees and friends, spend some time. What will happen after that? When in 3 nights everything goes. It says in 6 days and nights, rain will continue to fall and flood the place. How much flood you're seeing all over the place all now? It started already. It's showing you, my dear friends, what could happen. And the flood will come and wash off the land. And when the flood comes and wash off, there's no life form on the land there when the water comes in. When the flood comes, because I believe it's something measuring horsepower, Kalki is going to come, because he come in here to remove, because there is no devotees on the earth again at the end of this Kali age. So he come in directly to remove all the Malichas, all the wicked people who are here on earth. So every single person will die. And all the millions that you have in the bank, all that go wash away. So my dear friends, I'm not telling you don't have no millions now. Have it. But forget it there. Because if you remember it there, you have so much to do and you're going to forget to pray to God. Use some of it for the elevation of God. To the wives, you know you want to be boss of the house now? Stop that. So you could delay the Kaliki a little bit. Prem Sabali Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, after that 6 days and night that wash off, what will follow? Devi Puran tells us again. 12 suns will come together. Not boy child, eh? We're talking about Surya. The energy of 12 sun will come together and burn off the water and level the water. That should take at least about 12 days. And the next 3 days will be to create the first set of people back on Satyug. When it's going to happen, I can't tell you. But all the signs that we are seeing, it could be close. And when I say close, I mean 100 years, 50 years, or as well as it could be 10 years from now. So my dear friends, my advice to you this evening is to pray, dedicate yourself to service to humanity without looking for any egoistic thing. He said, for there are five sins which man commit himself in this Kali age to. One is ego. I, mine, you, yours. 2, hypocrisy. 3, anger. I can't remember the 2 off my head there, but I'll remind you all tomorrow. My dear friends, this is my katha for this evening, the shortened version of it. Principal is Sri Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki, and what I'm telling to you is not what Pandit Vishnu here nor anybody say. This is what the Devi Puran says. Ad Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. And my dear friends, all the prophecies that happens here and is happening into the, Ramayana has also some prophecies, all we see happening, it is happening in real. So my dear friends, devotees of God who are here in the Yajnashala, devotees of God who are listening us on Pandit Vishnu live on Facebook, devotees of God who are listening to us on YouTube, Dharam Ki Awaaj, and those who are listening online, www.dharamkiawaaj.com. Start transforming your life. My dear friends, Dharam Ki Awaaj Seva Sabha. We are working together. We are trying in our little humble way to see how we can start transforming the lives of people. Prem Sabali Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. This brings me to the end of this evening discourse. I do hope that it means something to you. I do hope that it touch a part of you, and don't believe that the Devi Puran is a fairy tale story. I tell you, if you want to take it as a fairy tale story, take COVID-19 as a fairy tale story too. It's real and it coming. Ad Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki. So we'll now have Arti. Pandit Jai will lead us out in Arti. Well, while he's here, we'll do coconut too. Come on, everybody. Get your coconut, Pandit Jai. Go up there and do Arti. All right, everybody get your coconut and go back where you're standing a little bit. Ben, you don't go far. Come close here too. Give Ben a space there too, yeah. Right. Okay, Ben, you're good there. Then we pray now. Everybody please pray now with your coconuts into your hands. Who don't have a coconut, please stand and pray now. Hari Om Tat Sat Om Sri Krishna Krishna Se Gaya Nityamam Asya Vidya Pradveshi Divala Kalipati Saptame Vaivasman Vantar Kalipatam Charani Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande Arvatarike Desh Antargati Trinidad Desh. Hari Om Sri Mapipi Road Chetre Grame Bhaut Avataritat Parahi. Your names in mind. Namayaham Parivar, family's name. Whatever wish, desire you have now, make it. Om Sri Dehik Devik Bhautik Tapatria Nirvamartya Devi Graharishi Mani Madhava. Hari Om Tat Sat Durga Devi Mata Nariyal Pratigrehitvam. Prem Sabali Sri Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. Crack your coconut, yeah? Arti.
यानि कानि च पापानि कृतानि च तुभ्यं समर्पयामि साजं च वर्ति संयुक्तं दीपगृहाणदेवस्य त्रैलोक्यत्रिम्यापहं शन्तकारं भुजगशरणं पद्मनाभं सुदेश्वरम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकरोतु कल्याणं करोगं सुखं सम्पदम् मम शत्रुविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमस्तुते दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम 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 शेरावाली शरणं मम
शेरावाली शरणं मम
लोटवाली शरणं मम लोटवाली शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम
दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम
दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम दुर्गा देवी शरणं मम
दुर्गा देवी शरणं नमः दुर्गा देवी शरणं नमः
जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे काली
जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे काली
जय अम्बे जय अम्बे जय अम्बे काली
जय अम्बे जय अम्बे जय अम्बे काली
जय माता जय माता जय माता काली जय माता जय माता जय माता काली जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे काली
जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे काली
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
जय भुवनेश्वरी जय महाअम्बा
जय भुवनेश्वरी जय जय जगदम्बा
जय भुवनेश्वरी जय जय मुकम्बा
जय भुवनेश्वरी जय जय मुकुम्बा
काली काली जय महाकाली
काली काली जय महाकाली
जय परमेश्वरी जय विश्वकाली
जय परमेश्वर जय विश्वकाली
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
जय भुवनेश्वरी जय जय मुकम्बा
जय भुवनेश्वर जय जय मुकुम्बा
दुर्गे 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 जय जय
दुर्गे 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 जय जय
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
काली कपालनी माँ
काली कपालनी माँ
जयंत काली मंगला काली भद्र काली कपालनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा दात्री जयंत काली मंगला काली भद्र काली कपालनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा दात्री नमस्ते जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे माँ
जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे माँ
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
दुर्गे जय जय माँ
दुर्गे जय जय माँ
दुर्गे जय जय
चामुण्डाय विद्महे नमः
ऐं ह्रीं क्रीं चामुण्डाय विद्महे नमः
चामुण्डाय विद्महे नमः
ऐं ह्रीं क्रीं 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 चामुण्डाय विद्महे नमः
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
अम्बा भवानी कात्यायनी माता
अम्बा भवानी कात्यायनी
अम्बा भवानी कात्यायनी माता
अम्बा भवानी कात्यायनी
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी कात्यायनी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी कात्यायनी शंभवी देवी कात्यायनी शंभवी देवी कात्यायनी कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
काली महाकाली कात्यायनी माता
काली महाकाली कात्यायनी
दुर्गा सरस्वती कात्यायनी
दुर्गा सरस्वती
कात्यायनी दुर्गा सरस्वती कात्यायनी
दुर्गा सरस्वती कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी जय जय कात्यायनी जय
कात्यायनी
जय कात्यायनी
जय जय कात्यायनी
जय कात्यायनी
जय जय कात्यायनी
जय जय कात्यायनी
जय जय कात्यायनी
कात्यायनी जय
कात्यायनी जय कात्यायनी
दुर्गे जय जय माँ
दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे माँ दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय माँ
अष्टभुजंग में नित्य स्वरूपनि कालिका पालनि माँ अष्टभुजंग में नित्य स्वरूपनि कालिका पालनि माँ जगदोधारणी नित्य निवारणी दुर्गे काली माँ जननी शुभ जननी दुर्गा काली माँ
जननी जननी दुर्गा काली माँ
जननी शिव जननी दुर्गा काली माँ
जननी जननी
शुभकरणी काली
काली
परमेश्वर साईश्वराय नमः शिव शिव शंकर हर परमेश्वर साईश्वराय नमः
शिव शिव शंकर हर परमेश्वर
साईश्वराय नमः
शिव शिव शंकर हर परमेश्वर साईश्वराय नमो
हरि ओम नमः शिवाय
हरि
हरि
ओम नमः
शिवाय
हरि ओम नमः शिवाय
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा शिव
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा
गंगाधरा हर गंगाधरा
गंगाधरा गंगाधरा
गौरी वरा शंकरा
गौरी बड़ा शंकरा
शिव 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 शंभो हर हर हर
शंभो शिव 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 शंभो हर 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 शंभो
भोलेनाथ भगवान आदिनाथ भगवान
भोलेनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा शिव
शंभो महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा
शंभो महादेवा
शिव शंभो महादेवा
शंभो महादेवा दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती माता की जय करीम कालिका देवी माता की जय At this time, let us glorify the Divine Mother. As we do our arpanam and pray towards her. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva, tvameva bandhu cha sakha tvameva, tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva, tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Asaturma satgamaya, tamasurma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma mritam gamaya. भद्रकाली देवी माता की जय, नव दुर्गा देवी माता की जय, श्री महालक्ष्मी देवी माता की जय, ऐं सरस्वती देवी माता की जय। राम गोविंदा गोविंदा हर हर पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव, काशी विश्वनाथ की जय, सनातन धर्म की जय, सकल पंच की जय जय सीताराम। Now hand you over to Pandit Vishnu.
All please have your seats. So children of God, Aarti will come to you.